popcorn again?
No, Ashley, I learned my lesson on that.
I know who to call for this job.
Hi, Firefighter Frank here. Just a friendly reminder to check the batteries in your smoke alarms every year. Also, check your alarm date. If it is 10 years old, it needs to be replaced. Smoke alarms should be on every level of your home and in each bedroom. Every home should have a CO alarm as well. You should have at least one CO alarm on each level of your home. If you have any questions or want to learn more, call the 211 Helpline Center.